Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today's lesson is not just a lesson, it's a mission. Because for the next 1 month, you and I are going to work together on a journey to transform your English, your confidence, and your future. I know some of you are tired of feeling stuck. You want opportunities, you want to speak clearly. You want to understand movies, talk to people from around the world, maybe even get a better job or start your own business. And today I am here to tell you you can learn a surprising amount of English in just 1 month if you have the right mindset, the right strategy, and the right consistency. So sit back, stay present, and let this lesson be the spark that changes everything. Believe you can improve in 1 month. Most people think learning English takes years. That's only half true. Yes, mastering a language takes time, but making big visible progress can happen very fast. 1 month is enough to build daily habits, learn essential vocabulary, become confident speaking. Fix your pronunciation. Think in English instead of translating. Feel your progress every single week. But none of that will happen if you start with the wrong belief. So pause for a moment and say this in your mind. I am capable of improving my English quickly. I can learn every day. I will not give up. Your mindset is your engine. If your mindset is weak, your progress is slow. If your mindset is strong, your progress is unstoppable. Why you haven't improved before? Let's be honest. Many people try to learn English for years but see very little progress. Why? Because they do three things wrong. 1. They only study but they don't practice. They memorize rules but never speak. 2. They study too much in one day and then stop for 2 weeks. That destroys momentum. 3. They learn passively, watching, listening, but don't repeat. Language needs your voice, not just your eyes. This next month, you will be different. You will show up every single day, even if it's only 15 minutes. Small steps, big results. The 1 month method, daily routine. Here is the simple system you will follow for 30 days. 1. 10 minutes. Listen. Listen to English every day. Podcast, YouTube, short stories. Choose content that interests you. Even if you don't understand everything, keep listening. Your brain learns the rhythm, tone, and structure. 2. 10 minutes. Speak out loud. This is the most important part. Repeat after native speakers. Shadow their pronunciation. Don't just watch. Speak with them. Say sentences many times until your mouth feels comfortable. 3. 10 minutes. Learn 5 to 10 new words, not random words. 4. 5 minutes. Think in English. This will transform everything. Describe what you are doing in English. Example: I am making tea. I am going to work. I feel excited today. You must stop these bad habits. If you want real progress, remove these habits immediately. Waiting for the perfect moment, being shy to speak, fear of making mistakes, comparing yourself to others, skipping days, learning too many grammar rules without practicing. Why you must continue? Let me tell you something important. There will be days when you don't feel motivated. There will be moments when you feel tired or discouraged. Your pronunciation will sound strange. You will forget words. You will make mistakes. You may even think English is too hard. But listen carefully. Mistakes do not mean failure, they mean progress. Every mistake makes you stronger. Every day you practice, you grow. Learning English is not about being perfect, it's about becoming better than you were yesterday. The power of consistency. Let me give you a truth that changed my life. Small, consistent actions beat big, inconsistent actions. 10 minutes every day will beat 2 hours once a week. It's not about studying for long, it's about showing up again and again. You don't build a strong body by going to the gym once. You build it by going regularly. Your English is the same. If you are still watching this video, it means you are serious. So I want you to make a simple promise. For the next 30 days, I will practice English every day. I will not give up. I will believe in myself. I will do the work. Say it out loud. Make the commitment real. Remember this, you are not starting from zero. You already know more English than you think, and every day you practice, your ability grows. People around you may doubt you. You may even doubt yourself sometimes. But inside you, there is a strong, powerful, unstoppable version of you, a version that is capable of learning, growing, and achieving everything you dream of. Push through the discomfort, push through the fear, push through the challenges. Your future self is waiting for you on the other side. And 1 month from now, you will look back and say, I did it. I really changed my English. I really changed my life. Thank you for watching. If this message inspired you, subscribe for more lessons. Practice with me every day and remember, your English, your future, your time is now.